Guys, at the Lincoln Central level crossing at Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now the time is 08:34 on Monday the 27th of June 2016. Focus it on that. And this is for our 08:36 to Lima 56 East Midlands train service to Leicester. And the footbridge is not quite complete. And the reason is because the lifts aren't done yet. They're in. The lifts are in, but it won't be open until the 4th of July. And this bridge was delayed due to asbestos back in February. The construction was started March 2015 and was expected to be finished February 2016, but then it got delayed for 8 weeks due to asbestos, and this bridge cost £12 million. That's something I forgot to mention in the tour. And as you can see, they've got the CCTV cameras moved, and they've put like a post around it, like this wooden thing around it. I have no idea what this building here is going to be, but we'll see at some point. The 158 is not leaving just yet, but people are still crossing the bridge. People are actually walking over the bridge now. If any of you are wondering, better quality and better sound in my videos is now because I'm using my iPod from now on. I've got a new iPod. Just my iPad's getting old. Hopefully getting a new one for my birthday, but at the moment I'm using my iPod. Here she comes. We've got 158. I forgot what it is already. 158-856. (856) to Leicester via Newark and Nottingham, and up they go. Good, the crossing actually goes up a little bit earlier now. That one doesn't throw a wobbly like that one does. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.